Outdoor and landscape lighting is not just about illuminating your property, it's about enhancing curb appeal, improving security, and creating an inviting atmosphere for your home. As homeowners embark on the journey of selecting the perfect lighting solutions, the guidance of an expert can make all the difference. Today, we are delighted to speak with Ryan Alife, the owner of Lumentek Electrical, to explore the world of outdoor and landscape lighting. With his extensive experience and passion for creating beautifully lit outdoor spaces, Ryan will share valuable insights and practical tips to help you enhance your home's exterior. Join us as we delve into the essential aspects of outdoor and landscape lighting and learn how to make your property shine. Can you start by telling us about Lumentek Electrical and the range of services you offer related to outdoor and landscape lighting?
Outdoor lighting is crucial for curb appeal of your home. We offer a bunch of different options for outdoor lighting. The most popular one by far is our Celebrate permanent Christmas lighting. We find that makes the biggest difference to any home. You can set it to look like Christmas lights, which is obviously why most people do it, or for the rest of the year, just set it to pot lights or anything like that to really change how the house looks at night.
What are the primary benefits of investing in outdoor and landscape lighting for homeowners?
It is a great way to change how your house appears at night. A lot of people don't do it, so when you are someone that does, your home really looks different.
How can outdoor lighting enhance the curb appeal of a home, and what are some key design principles to keep in mind?
The biggest thing that we see is the right type of lighting for the application. Some people want something decorative, other people just simply want to see their driveway at night or anything like that. So the right type of light for the right application is crucial.
What role does outdoor lighting play in improving the security of a property, and what are the best practices for maximizing this benefit?
There's a few different ways to go about that. There's motion lights are effective for seeing something if you're worried about your vehicles or entry points to your home. Another thing for adding security is even the Celebrate lights, you can schedule them to come on and off without having to be there. So if you're going away for a week, you can schedule them from dawn to dusk every day while you're gone, different patterns, and give the impression that you're home.
Can you share some innovative outdoor lighting trends that are gaining popularity among homeowners?
We've definitely noticed that with the permanent Christmas lights. They offer so many different features that you can set them to really help you any time of the year. It's not just a Christmas thing. We have people set them to look like pot lights for every day of the year, then birthdays, hockey games, anything like that.
How do you work with clients to develop a customized outdoor lighting plan that meets their specific needs and aesthetic preferences?
It depends on what they're looking for. A lot of people will want decorative lights, whereas other people just want to see at night. If they want to see their backyard, if the dog goes out, we'll install a different fixture than if they want to have their address sign lit up better or pot lights or anything like that. It really depends on what a customer's looking for. We usually will show different photos and examples of work that we've done in the past to make sure that we're on the same page and that they'll be satisfied with the end result.
What are the key factors to consider when choosing the right type of outdoor lighting fixtures and bulbs for different areas of a property?
The biggest thing is what you intend to gain from the lighting. So if it's decorative, security, anything like that, all changes what would be installed and what would be recommended. The biggest thing is to know what you're going after, whether it's to see better at night or to illuminate certain architectural details of your home. Knowing that is the easiest way for us to help you come up with an option that you'll be happy with.
Can you discuss the importance of energy efficiency in outdoor lighting and how homeowners can implement environmental-friendly lighting solutions?
The biggest way we've found is LED lighting, whether that's high bay fixtures in the shop or parking lot lights, or even just your security light at the side of your home. LEDs are a lot less maintenance. There's less power draw and they're really reliable. So there's quite a few reasons why you'd potentially want to switch out to LED bulbs or fixtures.
How does professional installation and maintenance of outdoor lighting systems ensure long-term performance and reliability?
The biggest thing with outdoor lighting is making sure that your fixtures are sealed properly. A lot of the time, water is the biggest problem with lighting. If you get water in your fixtures, it isn't just a hazard for potentially getting shocked. It will also corrode all your connections and create issues with the lighting down the road. The biggest thing is to choose quality fixtures that are sealed well, or maintain the gaskets on your other fixtures if they're not sealed.
What advice would you give to homeowners who are in the early stages of planning their outdoor and landscape lighting projects, and how can Lumentek Electrical assist them in bringing their vision to life?
The biggest thing would be to either have examples of what you would like or have a good idea of what you're trying to go after, because we can suggest all the things in the world, but if it's not something that you're interested in, we're not going to be able to help you. So having an idea of what you'd like is probably the best way. One thing we do with the permanent Christmas lights is we'll take a photo of your house and we'll draw on there where we would recommend installing lights to give you an idea of what it would look like when it's all completed. We found that's a good way to let people know.